Okay. So should we continue further from where we had left yesterday? We had done till converse of BPT. We had proven converse of BPT. If you have any doubts, please ask Abhi. Otherwise, we'll proceed further. If you have no doubts, then we'll proceed further with criteria of similarity of triangles. किसी को कोई doubt है तो पूछ लेना please. Okay. ठीक है. So we will begin with criteria for similarity of triangles. When are triangles said to be similar? That is what we will see. When a triangle is said to be similar. There are, as I had explained it to you, tests like AAA criteria or AA. So let's first look at what does it mean. Let's say there are two triangles. There are two triangles. Now, as you know, for them to be similar, the size need not be equal. That is only when they have to be congruent. So there are two triangles, ABC and PQR. If there are two triangles, ABC and PQR. Okay, ABC and triangle PQR. So what do we say? If, and here let's say angle A is equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and angle C equals to angle R. That means the three angles are equal. The three angles are equal, corresponding angles, A to P, B to Q, C to R. If each of them are equal, okay, if two triangles, okay, are equal, then the two triangles are said to be similar. Then the two triangles are said to be similar. Okay. That is as a theorem. We don't have to prove that, but you need to know it because we are going to be using it for proving triangles similar and for solving. Okay, we are going to be using it for solving the sums also. So what it means over here is, if I'll say, if in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ and R. ABC is similar to triangle PQR. See, that is how we will write triangles are similar. We don't need to show that AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR. That is not required. That is not required. If the three angles are congruent or equal, that is sufficient to say that the triangles are similar. That is sufficient to say that the triangles are similar. This is called AAA test of similarity or AAA criteria of similarity. This is called as angle criteria of AAA criteria of similarity. AAA criteria of similarity. You can write this down. In short, we also call it as AAA test. AAA test, it is said in short. So please take this down. Okay. If two if in two triangles, the corresponding angles. See, the important part here is the corresponding angles. Now, what do we mean by corresponding angles? Here, A corresponds to P. You can't say A is equal to Q and B is equal to P. That will not work. Neither can you write triangle ABC similar to triangle PRQ. That would be wrong. Okay, you can't write this as in place of triangle. सर लेकिन triangle तो वही है, PRQ बोले या PQR बोले, triangle तो वही है. No, the order is also matters when we are writing similarity. Triangle वही है, yes, but when you write PRQ, what it means is B corresponds to R. Now B does not correspond to R. B does not correspond to R. B corresponds to Q. So that is where it is important that you write it in the right order. Okay. Neither can you write RPQ. All of these are wrong. It will be only this correspondence that will be right. Okay. So that order or that one-to-one correspondence, as we say, matters. You have to be careful of what you are writing. You can't write PRQ, RPQ, any other. Though the triangle will be the same, the triangle will not change, but their one-to-one correspondence will change. So you have to be careful about that. Okay. So please write this down. This is your AAA criteria of similarity. AAA criteria of similarity. अगर ये हो गया है तो बोलो, then we'll move further. इसी में एक छोटा सा variation I want to show you. A very slight variation, but we need to see that also. If you have done this, then we will proceed further. In fact, if you want in a statement form, you can write this down. If the angles of a triangle, if three angles of a triangle, or if all angles of a triangle are equal to the corresponding three angles of another triangle. If three angles of one triangle, if three angles of one triangle are equal, if three angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three angles of another triangle, to the corresponding three angles of another triangle, to the corresponding three angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be similar. Then the two triangles are said to be similar by AAA, by AAA similarity criteria. Then the two triangles are said to be similar by AAA similarity criteria. Okay. Now, iske andar we all know the next step that is going to be there. We know what is the sum of all angles of a triangle. Sum of all angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. It cannot be more, it cannot be less. Okay. So if angle A is equals to, let's say, 50 degrees, angle B equals to 60 degrees. Okay. And similarly, angle P, which is equal to angle A, is also equal to 50 degrees, and angle Q, which is equal to angle B, is also equal to 60 degrees. By default, by definition, angle C has to be 180 minus this. Iska total is going to be 110. So angle C will be 180 minus 110, which will be 70. Isn't it? और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है, because the total has to be 180. अगर A 50 है, B 60 है, तो दोनों का total हो गया 110. The third one has to be 180 minus 110, that is 70. Same case over here. P is 50, Q is 60, 110. Angle R will be 180 minus 110, which is equal to 70. Angle R will be equal to. So in short, without even bothering what is angle R and what is angle C, if I know A is equal to P and B is equal to Q, safely blindly closing your eyes you can say that angle C and angle R have to be equal, क्योंकि total 180 है और दो angles equal है तो तीसरे angle को कोई choice नहीं है, but it has to be equal. There is no choice because the total has to be 180, and if first two angles of one triangle are equal to first two angles of another triangle, the third angle has to be equal, only then the total will be equal. Okay, so for example what we have seen over here, so even if two angles are equal, you don't need to find out whether third angle is equal or not. आप ये देखने की जरूरत भी नहीं है ये equal है या नहीं. Even if we know that two angles are equal, we can safely say if that the triangles are similar. Okay, this is just a follow up of AAA. This is called as AA because we are considering only two angles. We are considering only two angles. So write down. If two angles of a triangle are respectively equal, if two angles of a triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, if two angles of a triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, is respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Then the two triangles are similar. Then the two triangles are similar, and this is called as AA similarity criteria for two triangles, and this is called as AA similarity criteria for two triangles. This is called as AA similarity criteria for two triangles. Done? We are not going to prove this, though there are proofs of this, but since it's not going to be asked for you and it's not there in your book, we are not going to prove these tests. Okay, they've given you some activities to do, like draw one triangle of one particular size, the other of particular size, keep it one above the other, measure their angles. You can do that and check. Okay, but you don't have to, मतलब exam point of view से कोई proof आने वाला नहीं है. That's why we are not doing it. Are we clear? Done till here, everybody? Good. Now let's look at another this thing. See, the first thing we said, whenever triangles are similar, there are 6 things that happen. What are the 6 things? The ratio of the 3 sides are equal, and the 3 angles are also equal. That is what we had said. For any 2 triangles to be similar, or when any 2 triangles are similar, the things that happens is AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR. These were the things that is there for similar triangles. Then we said we don't need to get into all of this. ये सब के सब proof करना जरूरी नहीं है, सिर्फ इतना भी proof करेंगे. Without doing this, we have said AAA criteria. Then we said take only 2, that is also sufficient. AA criteria. Now, supposing if only this works, can we say this is possible? Yes, that's the next criteria. That's the next criteria. What is that called? SSS similarity criteria. Write it down, please. SSS. S stands for side. Side, side, side. SSS similarity criteria for 2 triangles. What does it say? SSS similarity criteria for 2 triangles. It says if in 2 triangles, the sides of one triangle, if in 2 triangles, the sides of one triangle, if in 2 triangles, the sides of one triangle are proportional. Sides of one triangle are proportional. sides of one triangle are proportional. What do we mean by proportional? In the same ratio. Proportional means in the same ratio. If the sides of one triangle, if in two triangles, the sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then if in two triangles the sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangles, then their corresponding angles are equal. Then their corresponding angles are equal. That means if the sides are like this, then this is given. If this happens, then this will happen. If the sides are in proportion, then the corresponding angles are equal. So if in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence then the corresponding angles are equal, and hence the two triangles are similar, and hence the two triangles are similar. और इसको क्या बोलते हैं? SSS similarity criteria. This is called as SSS similarity criteria. SSS similarity criteria. Okay. Then there is going to be one more that we are going to see. Okay. We have done AAA. AAA is just part of that, so I'll not call that another one. But we have done AAA, we have done SSS. We are going to see SAS. What it means is side, angle, side. Okay, that says side, angle, side. That's the third criteria of similarity. So write down SAS, side, angle, side. SAS, side, angle, side, similarity criteria. If one angle of a triangle, if one angle of a triangle is equal, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle, is equal to one angle of the other triangle. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle, and the sides including these angles, and the sides including these angles are proportional, and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the triangles are similar. Then the triangles are similar. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle, and the sides including these angles, and the sides including these angles, and the sides including these angles are proportional. The sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Okay, what it means is, supposing if this is again the triangle, all it says is angle A equals to angle P, and the sides including these angles. That means AB upon PQ equals to AC upon PR. Then triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. R by SAS, SAS criteria of similarity, by SAS criteria of similarity. Copy till here. Then we'll proceed further. Now we're going to solve, based on this, we're going to solve some examples. Okay, based on these tests, we're going to solve some examples. Done till here? You've done till here, then we'll proceed further. Tomorrow we will begin with areas of similar triangle. Of course, before that you have to do exercise 6.3, and if you have any difficulties or doubts, we will be doing those first. Chalo. Let's look at some few examples based on whatever we have learned so far. Draw this diagram. In the figure, if PQ is parallel to RS, in the figure, if PQ in the figure, if PQ is parallel to RS, it is given PQ is parallel to RS. Prove that, what do we have to prove? Triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR, is similar to triangle SOR. POQ is similar to triangle SOR. That is what we have to do. Prove that. Just this information is given. Now, this is not very complicated. It says this line is parallel to this line. It is given to me. PQ parallel to RS. When these two lines are parallel, the alternate angles, the corresponding angles will be equal. So if that is the case, I can say angle P is congruent to angle S, alternate angles. These are alternate angles. Or somebody might say, sir, Q is congruent to R. That also is possible. Okay, alternate angles. And somebody says this and this. Two angles of one triangle congruent to two angles of another triangle. The triangles are similar by AA test. I don't even need to do third. Or somebody might say, sir, ye to vertically opposite angles hai na? They are always equal, vertically opposite angles. So this is an alternate angle and these are vertically opposite angles. Yes, whichever way you do. So since the angles are equal, therefore the triangles are similar by AA test. So I'll say in triangle, but the order is important. See, P corresponds to S and not P to R, because this angle is equal to this angle. So POQ and triangle SOR, POQ and SOR, angle QPO or OPQ, angle OPQ is equal to angle OSR. Okay, these are alternate angles. These are alternate angles. Okay. Before that, I'll say PQ is parallel to RS. PQ is parallel to RS. In triangle POQ and triangle SOR, I get this information. Then I can also say angle POQ is equal to angle SOR. are reason vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. I don't even need to find the third angle. I don't even need to find the third angle. Or if you want, you can say angle Q is equal to angle R. Again, alternate angles. But this much is more than sufficient. Therefore, triangle POQ is similar to triangle SORAA. If you find the third one and show that they are also equal, then you will write AAA. If you use only two, you will just write AA criteria for similarity. AA criteria for similarity, or AAA similarity criteria. Finish this, then we'll move to the next one. If you've done this, please let me know. Next one, copy this diagram and it says observe the figures and find angle P. Please draw the diagram, then we'll see how to solve this. Now here they have not shown you that this angle is equal to this or this is equal to this, but they've given you sides. They've given you sides. So we'll say in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Let's find out the ratios of the sides. AB upon PQ. We are going in this sequence. Now, is it necessary कि आप ये ही ratio लेंगे? Okay. If you take AB and PQ, you'll see it's not in a ratio. But if you'll see AB and RQ, this is 3.8, that is double of that, that is 7.6. So no need to take PQ. बोले sir वो order. Here we are just trying to find out. So here we see, because ये 3 root 3 double करोगे तो 6 root 3. 6 है तो उसका double 12 है. So instead of PQ, this is going to be RQ. This is what you have to pay attention to. This is what you have to pay attention to. So AB upon RQ, 3.8 upon 7.6, which is 1 upon 2. Similarly, BC upon PQ, BC upon QP rather, because we are going like that. So BC upon QP or PQ is 6 upon 12, which is 1 upon 2. And AC upon PR. AC upon PR is 3 root 3 upon 6 root 3, which is again 1 upon 2. So now we have got all three sides like this. So we'll say, therefore, AB upon RQ equals to BC upon QP equals to AC upon PR. Okay. All the three sides are in proportion. All the three sides are in proportion. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle. Now here if you write PQR, that would be wrong. We have taken PQR over here because we are just taking the triangle. We are not saying it is similar. Here we are saying similar. So you'll have to see angle A is between वो 3.8 वाला. So यहाँ पर कहीं पर A आएगा. ठीक है? So A will correspond to either R or Q, but Q is with this. So B and C आएगा. So this will be R. A corresponds to R. AB, AB 3.8, RQ, तो बचा हुआ C का आएगा C. Okay, so we get triangle ABC similar ABC similar to triangle RQP. ABC is similar to triangle RQP. Now the triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, corresponding angles, angle C is equals to angle C. Therefore, angle C equals to, इसको हम लिखते हैं corresponding angles of similar triangles, short में CAST, corresponding, CAST, corresponding angles of similar triangles. We write it in short as CAST, corresponding angles of similar triangles. So how much is C? Angle C is equals to 180 minus angle A minus angle B, which is equal to 180 minus 80 minus 60, which is nothing but 40. Angle C is equals to, therefore, angle C equals to angle P, which is equals to 40 degrees. We have to find angle P, which is 40 degrees. That is what it is. Please copy it here. Okay. And I think we're going to get disconnected now, so I'm not going to give you a new example. Okay, please log in immediately the moment we get disconnected, which is less than a minute now. Any moment you will get disconnected, so please connect again. Okay, immediately you'll have your next class. Ma'am ka class hai, immediately connect kar lena. The other part that is remaining of this, we will continue tomorrow. Parallelly, you please work on exercise 6.3, क्योंकि 6.3 में 16 sums है, एक दिन में होने वाले नहीं है. At least do 8 sums today, or at least 6 sums today, so that you have 10 sums for tomorrow. Okay, please do that. I'll send you the image of 6.3 करना है आपको.